How to change content language on LinkedIn. So, first of all, launch LinkedIn app on your mobile devices. Make sure that you are logged on to your account. Then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner. Then go to Settings. Now, from here, go to Account Preferences. Now, from here, scroll down below and under General Preferences, you'll see Content Language. Tap on it. Now you can see that the language in my case has been set to English. Just tap on Change. Now choose any of the languages according to your preferences. I'm going to tap on Spanish. So once you choose a specific language, LinkedIn will auto-translate content or show options to translate content such as posts and comments to this language and use this information to improve your overall LinkedIn experience. So follow these easy steps in order to change content language on LinkedIn. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.